Mommy, I need to take that off because I'm digging something. And can you tell me the comments and say can you see it? I can't hear you. Can you say this is the whole book, but I had to read it. I got two actually. There's one. Can you see that? I don't see them. And I got my other. I'll find something under there. It's mini. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think so. Good idea. It's my slime. I'm thinking something. Wait. It's really long, so I can stay on top of here till 30 days. I pause.
Are we already done, Matt?
No.
Can you put your clothes on? Take off your pajamas, please. What are you doing? Are you reading or
I'm showing the
showing the guys? Is it cold today or hot today?
cold today.
Really?
It's actually hot.
Is it?
Yeah. Happy Friday, guys. I'm playing my robot and spawning. Fire. Do that.
Who gave you the slime?
I don't know.
Oi, your friend.
My friend.
Riker? Riker and family?
Yeah. Riker's family.
What do you say to them?
Thank you. Oh.
Oh, sorry.
When you're touching me in the ear. And smash you, smash. You broke him. That's you. I want to see electric boom, boom. I want to see good magic. Yeah. Pull. Yes, good.
See. Oh,
Done?
done? Yeah, you're done. Very welcome. What hairstyle, baby? Same as yesterday?
The longest one.
The longest one. What do you mean?
So big.
No pony?
So big.
What?
Along this hairstyle will take forever.
Me. I'll do a bun, okay?
Can I also do one for swimming? Cold.
Yeah, you can keep the bun.
Can you add this one? This one's my hero.
Your hero. Yeah, I can do that.
Ooh! A boo! Let's get it. That thing. This is sticky. It's a bit tight.
It's tight.
It turns ball. Oh,
Huh? No, not bowl.
very good.
Look at this girl. Kunin niya yung bowl niya. Ay! Your bowl! Get your bowl. Sus. Hindi. Look at this. You wanna use that one? For Weet-Bix? Tapos, kukunin ko yung Weet-Bix. Alam na niya. Tuturo niya.
Mama!
Baby! Alright. And then what do we have to do after? Milk. We need to put milk. Just wait. A spoon. Wanna get spoon? Yeah, milk. Yay! Alas it is, not Ilas. Say bye to them. Bye to Kois.
Bye!
Not yet. Not yet. No, the car is outside. Outside that door. Other door. Good listening.
for you.
Knock knock. Oh, it's open, Dee. Watch your foot, Dee.
What's your phone? We're going to Mom.
You wanna go? You wanna go with Kuya? You wanna go to school?
Bye.
Bye.
Okay? Bye-bye.
Aww. Watch out, Didi. Give Ate a hug and Kuya a hug. Cute, bye. Yeah.
Who's in first? Ally. Bye-bye. Isla, you're next one. Bye-bye, princess.
Are you going in?
Bye.
Wanna give Daddy a hug? Who's your favorite, Daddy or Mommy?
Daddy hug.
Hug Daddy, go. Bye.
I got princess. Got princess.
May dala na namang bowl, oh. Grapes yung gusto niya. Wait, I need to cut. Tignan niyo siya, guys. Okay, Mommy needs to wash and cut. Ready? Ooh, good dancing! Good job. Oopsie.
Oh boy.
Oopsie.
Hi.
Oopsie. Give me a bowl. Give me a bowl. Mommy, have bowl. Give me a bowl.
Hi.
Thank you. Good listening. Ready for grapes? Yeah, close it. Good job. Not yet, not done. Okay.
Mama,
Baby,
I
love you. Say ta. All done. Here. All done. Say ta. You're welcome. Yum yum. Good job. Yay. Happy D? Happy. Your milk is on the couch. Good girl, yeah. This girl just had Wheat Bix, 2 bowls of grapes. Now, she wants more. Okay, kuha na naman ang bowl. Oh, what are we gonna have this time? What are we gonna have this time? Ang gulo-gulo niyan, guys, kasi ano niya yan, drawer niya yan eh. Hey, hey, Marilyn, na 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 ni. See? Isa lang yung kukunin niya, kung kaya niya. Oh, sorry, okay. Oops. Alright, put the other one back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Just one. Yeah, put it back, please. You can do it. Good job. You did it. Put one back. Tingnan nyo yung batang yan. Ang galing-galing. Oopsie. Na naman. Put one back. Just one. Oh. Do you want a bowl? What do you want? What do you want to eat? Do you want to eat again? Yeah. Yan yung mga safe paglaruan niya eh. So, I just leave it. Yes. You want that? Okay, just play, okay? Tapos ka na kumain, di. Na, 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 na. Oh, good? Yeah. Come on, let's get ready. Do you wanna bring that upstairs? Let's get ready. We need to go out. Bye-bye. Go play. Yeah, open all the way. Push. To the side. Like this. Push. Come on. Happy day. Gloomy day. Dami naming damit, oh. May isang bag pa dun. Hello! Happy Friday! I am voting today. I have been in Australia. Happy day! Mommy's doing kwento. Hi! I have been in Australia so I came here 2015. Tama ba ako, guys? 2016 siguro. Basta I got married in 2017. So I think 2016. Parang nasa ibang bansa pa ako noong 2015. Yeah. So 2016 I came here. And it's now 2026. So I've been here for 10 years now. Oh no, maybe I came here 2015. Kailan ba ako pumunta dito? Okay, let's say I've been here for 10 years just to be safe. And today is my first time voting in Australia. Do you want to vote too? You're coming with me. I have to take you. Yeah. It is 9 in the morning. So plano ko umalis as soon as I'm ready and Indy's ready. Yeah, so I don't know kung paano siya gawin. Well, I have an idea because Dan told me and I looked it up as well para hindi naman ako mukhang ewan doon pag punta ko doon. But I've never seen it before. I've never experienced it before. I think last time na nag-vote ako, guys, was nung si Pinoy yung president. I voted for him. How long ago was that? That was long time ago. Yun yung last time na nag-vote ako sa Philippines. Siguro college pa ako nun. Tama ba? I remember wearing the yellow wristband. And that was the last time I voted. Kasi nung mga next elections na, wala na ako. Like, I was in the US. I think the next election happened. And yeah, even the barangay elections, wala ako dun. So, I haven't voted in a long time. It's been a long time. Happy. So, it's my first time voting in Australia because I became citizen just last year. And if you are a citizen of Australia, it is compulsory for you to vote. See, look at guys. Look at my hair. So pretty. Do you want hand massage? Head massage? Ooh, nice. Massage. Nice. Pretty. Okay. I can't open this for you. Okay. Go look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Maya na nga tayo magkwento. Si D gusto din magkwento. Mag-ready na lang tayo para makaalis na tayo. Kasi pupunta pa ako ng shop and hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal yung voting. So the election day is tomorrow. The good thing about Australia is you have a lot of options to vote. Like if you are away during the election, you can do early voting via post office. Pwede din mobile voting. You have to organize that though. Also, they have early voting and they are very organized. Like they send you locations. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm doing an early voting because tomorrow talaga yung election, guys. Pero bukas kasi may gymnastics si Ayla. Meron din akong aatinan for Arlo.
Happy day.
Happy day. Blush? Where is my brush? B, my brush, B. Give me my brush. Come on. It's there. Give it to Mama. Mama's brush. Thank you. Good listening. The brush here. Under the plant. Under the plant. Brush for face. There. Under the plant. There. Get it for Mama. Good job. You can see it. Under the plant. Under the plant. Under the plant. There. Oh. I know. Bring your water. Don't forget your water. On the floor. Come on. After nito, I'm done. Yeah, good job. Water. Pupunta pa kasi ako ng Coles before ako bumoto. Meron lang akong online order to collect. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I need to print my return label para i-return ko yung mga binili kong pang party bags kay Arlo. Sa Temu ko yung in-order eh. And yeah, I did the return last night. I just need to print this label. Aray! Don't forget your water. Just wait, okay? Alright, let's go. So we will check the stuff to return. I got these ones all. Excited pa naman ako dito ipamigay sa mga classmates ni Arlo. So by the way, hindi natuloy na ipamigay kasi nga nagbago yung policy ng school na you're not allowed to give out party bags at all. So I'm returning that. And then these are like fidget spinners. They look really cute. Crayon colorful pens. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I just put it back in the same packaging. This is my first time returning sa Temu. I don't shop at Temu much. This is my second time ordering from Temu. The first time was nung I got something for my nails. Nung nag-ano pa ako, nag-press on nails pa ako. And this is my first time returning sa Temu. So we'll see kung magre-refund sila. So when I process the returns online, sabi nila we will offer you a partial refund without returning the items. And they offered like $4.95 to refund this. Pero yung total ko kasi is $46. So sabi ko na, I don't need this. Ano lang siya, clutter lang siya sa bahay. So, I need to return it. Tapos, makukuha ko pa yung $46 ko. To the dance. Ready na ka, de? Yes, you are. That's good. Huy! Ayaw. Sa mukha na akong dere-baya. And because may return label na ako, ang bilis-bilis na lang nito guys. I-drop ko lang talaga siya sa post office. They scan it. They give me a return receipt with a tracking number. And that's it. Alright. Alright, so first things first, Kohl's. My goodness, you guys. Nag-order ako sa Kohl's ng click and collect kasi nakasale yung nappies nila. At sabi ko mag-order ako ng marami. And then I added some stuff na lang din kasi pupunta na lang din naman ako doon. Mag-add na lang ako. Alam nyo bang walang nappies na available? Wala. Yun yung dahilan kung bakit ako nag-online order tapos wala. Parang sarap i-cancel. Kasi yung mga ipipick up ko, mga extra na lang na hindi ko kailangan talaga. Yung habol ko talaga yung nappies. Kasi naka half price yung nappies ni D. So yun na lang tayo. Kohl's. And then vote. And then drop off the package. And then later this afternoon, we will pick up the kids. We're here. So we will just click I have arrived. Here it is. Alright. So he said they do not have the nappies at all inside. Let's go vote, Didi. Yes, thank you, Didi. It's a church. Okay. We're going to the church, girl. Alam nyo, papuntang election but sobrang chill lang. Parang wala lang talaga. Roads are normal. Walang masyadong, alam mo yun, abobot sa streets. They're very strict when it comes to voting. So it is compulsory kung citizen ka na. And if you do not vote, they will fine you. And hindi ka makakawala talaga. They will fine you talaga. I think what I saw is $100. I'm not sure if it's the same kung national election na siya. But you will get a fine if you don't vote. And they will know. Because nasa system nila. Wala masyadong mga politicians paraphernalia, wala masyado. Meron pero konti lang, like alam mo yun, hindi madumi. Dapat tanggalin mo siya after election, like meron ka lang ilang weeks, I think, basta you have to take it down, all your posters and all that. If not, you will be fined again. So after na ng election, wala na yung mga paraphernalia yan. It's good. I like it. Alright, I'm almost there. Uh-oh. Here I see 1, 2, 3 cars heading out. 1, 2 cars coming in. Oh, here you go, guys. Here you go. Kita nyo yung mga signs? I'm not sure if you can see. There you go. I don't know. Alright, I am here. And may mga tao dun na may mga dalang kung ano-ano. When I became a citizen, para kasing close to election na siya. Mga ilang buwan na lang election na siya. Because I got my citizenship late last year. Ang dami kong natatanggap sa mail ko na mga letters from politicians. So, alam mo yun, parang introducing themselves. May mga tao dyan. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Relax lang. Bukas na yung main election day pero ganito ka-relax. Walang masyadong ganap. What are you doing? Good job. Let's go. All done? All done. You wanna go back? Let's go. Good job, Didi. That was so quick. We will go to the post office, okay? Yeah, I know. Not there. That's not your seat. Wow, that was so quick. So quick. They were very helpful. Nagtanong siya, do you need help with voting? Sabi ko, yeah. Pero may idea na ako kasi nga, I looked it up tapos sinabihan din ako ni Dan. And Indy was so cute kasi hindi ko dinala yung pram. So naglakad lang siya and she was so cute. She was waving sa lahat. Ang cute-cute niya. And I'm done. So pagpasok ko doon, tinanong lang yung pangalan ko. Walang ID. Pangalan lang talaga. And then nasa system na kasi yan nila. And then you're ticked off. Daddy message me.
Daniel said reminder to vote and to pick up kids from school. I'll be home around 4.30. Would you like to reply?
Yes.
What would you like to say to Daniel?
Done voting. And yes.
Help.
It says, done voting and yes. Send it?
Send.
Done.
We're home. I-put away natin tong binili natin kasi merong frozen dyan. Wait, here. You want more? Umupo siya, guys. Siya kapag kakain, dapat uupo. Ganyan siya kanina sa cafe. Dumaan kami ng cafe eh. Yung malapit lang sa post office, katabi lang ng post office. Tapos nag-order ako ng pie para kain kami before siya matulog. And umupo siya sa cafe.
Mama.
Ready?
Mama.
Mama. Say, Mommy. Good job. Yummy?
Mama, guys.
Hi, guys. Say hello, guys. Si Andy. Too hard? Here, I'll give you this. Yeah. And this. This is a... It is supposed to be bacon and cheddar, but I think she got me the chunky beef. Kasi it's very chunky. It's very meaty, no? Buti na lang may katulong ako ditong kumakain nito. I like eating the ano lang outside. So buti na lang si Indy din takakain ng ano nito. Milk. Sorry. I need to add more milk. Wait. Okay, yung more milk. Papatulugin ko na to si D kasi may pick up tayo later. Nag-order din ako ng hot chocolate. Ay, nako. Sus, ito yung mga hindi ko kailangan naman talaga. Nakasale siya 50% off. Ito din nakasale din 50% off. Ito na yung head ng ano ko, electric toothbrush. And then hala, ganito pala yun. Tsaka. Akala ko yung may ano, mga sachet. Naka 50% off din yan. And then pepper steak, we need that. And then I got this sweet potato chips na kailangan ko ilagay sa freezer. Let's put you to sleep na. Come on. What? You want more? You want this? It's hot. Yummy! Ay, di. Yung aking tabli. Yummy? Sus, batang bail. Yeah? And then this one. Sige na, tulog ka na. Pagising mo, pick up na tayo kay ate. Yum? Now let's go. Sleep na? Or all done? Okay, don't do that! Okay. Ay, nako. She wants her own. Imbis diretso na tayo doon, mag-vacuum pa tayo. Sige, kain ka dyan. You want your own. I'm sorry. You're very independent na, no? Mommy's just avoiding mess. More work for mama. Look at that. Dami ng crumbs. Good eating, beautiful. Yummy. Dami ng dami ng dumi. It's okay. Mommy will clean up. Yum, yum. Good eating, baba. My goodness, di. Anong oras pa lang? Dami mo na nakain. Sa liit ng tiyan mo na yan. Buyag, 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 buyag. Hindi buyag. All done? Sige, finish that. Finish that. Good job. Beautiful. Well done. You guys, I got a refund from Temu. 10.49. 1 minute ago. They refunded me $46.17. Kakasend ko lang ng package. Hindi pa nila natanggap. Pero they refunded me already. Because you are a loyal customer, you are eligible for a one-time opportunity to get an advance refund. Because I'm a loyal customer daw. Ito si Timo, ni Gara. Para mag-order tayo ulit sa kanila. That was really quick. Dang. That's my alarm. Let's go pick up ate and kuya. we are here. So I'm gonna take Indy out and chill here for a bit because we're too early as usual. Gonna chill here? Yes. Love you.
Hi, Dan.
Hold on.
Olive's sleepy and Indy's away. I got her my orange stuff. She's playing with it.
What did you give her?
There's orange paper stuff.
Ah, okay. She loves that. Arlo sleeping, guys. Ang bilis lang nung ano namin, drive, pero nakatulog siya. Pagod na pagod yarn. Alright, let's go. Let's go out. Dinner! Niluto ko yung natira naming bacon, tapos nagdagdag ako ng eggs. Bacon and eggs din yung kay Dan. Malapit na maubos. The kids' pasta. Hey! I'll give you eggs. White or yellow?
What?
Yeah, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I don't got it.
Okay. Sige. Here. You don't want to try the yellow, Alo? It's nice.
And what do you want to cook?
Okay. Yes, babe? You want more? And is it good? Yeah. Eat your pasta. I'll give you white eggs. Indy's coming. She's running. You guys are so cute. Bah! Bleh. Bleh. Say goodnight to Ate and Quiz. Hinahabol siya ni Kuya. Ang cute-cute niya. Bah! Ay! No, not earbuds. Give it to me. Dangerous. I'll get it, mate.
Oh, the hunter! The hunter! The hunter!
Look at this girl running. Give me. Give me that.